Thank you for taking the time to view our video. Please be sure to note that you can view more about us in the video description below, including our website and contact details. Meanwhile, on behalf of our entire staff, please know that we have a sincere desire to offer you the very best in customer care. Make no mistake, we're dedicated to getting the job right every time. Honesty and integrity are the cornerstone of our entire operation. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We look forward to assisting you today. Thanks again for watching.